Cold start on a 720. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today it is currently 5:12 in the morning and we're going to shoot a McLaren. And before any of you say something, yes, it's 5:13 in the morning and I'm cold starting a 2018 WRX. Nothing beats a sunrise, driving a 6-speed manual, going to shoot a McLaren. You can't beat it. We also got to pick up Bernard. You guys haven't met Bernard yet, but you will very, very shortly. I gotta meet him in like 7 minutes.
Oh shit, alright, I'm speed running this bitch.
Better speed run it. We gotta be in Seaside in 7 minutes. Or we're gonna be so late. This is Bernard. You haven't been on the channel.
Crazy. I didn't even sleep for this.
You didn't sleep?
Yep.
We're only like 5 minutes late, and I do not see a McLaren. I will say that. He just texted me that he's here, but he's very clearly not here. Maybe he thought the wrong marina. I'm not too sure, but I definitely do not see a 720S. So I'm assuming he's in the middle of the road. There's a giant clock there. He said he's by the clock. Oh, yeah. I see a 720 over there. This McLaren is absolutely insane. Absolutely nutty. Don't know. I have like really bad allergies and I just keep rubbing my eye, which absolutely sucks. But it is what it is, you know? The 4-liter twin turbo V8, the McLaren 720. Man, some suspension legs over here. I get ready to shot my bad. The spec on this interior is absolutely insane. Look at the full bar. I didn't even notice they had that. These doors are absolutely so intricate. Look at all the holes, the 2 windows. Insane. Oh, never done a sunrise shoot before, but this is definitely sick. The missing gas tap too. Kind of funny. Wow. Wow. Oh, definitely New Jersey views. Oh, that is so sick. The 4-liter twin turbo V8, the 720S, the British Racing Green. This thing is absolutely so stunning. I don't know how many times I can say it. I love the presence of this car. A 720S is definitely a car I need. Definitely one day. This car is absolutely stunning. I keep saying it. But what are you going to say? It's a 720S. The road presence of this 720 is absolutely nutty. As I'll say, I say a little bit too much, but oh my gosh, this car is absolutely stunning. Look at that. It was not even in frame at all. Oh my gosh. There you go. Bernard.
We're good, guys. We're good.
Oh,
now we're in frame.
There you go. There you go. Now you're in frame. Oh my god, look in the mirror, dude. That car is intense. Stunning. I gotta say, I'm not a fan of greens, but this green is absolutely nuts. The British Racing Green, it is a wrap, but oh my gosh, it's the carbon glistening, the 720S, 4-liter V8 twin turbo. This thing is so sick. I reckon I need to put this color on Ruby. The British Racing Green is so sick on the 720. Dude, I can't get over this car.
What is this?
Dude.
What is this, dog? What is, come on, what are you, a newbie? What are you, a newbie?
Dude. Dude, listen. I didn't want to get sand on the lens, so I put it.
Yeah.
Put it
So
oh.
camera.
It's fine.
You're very smart.
It's fine.
You're
It's
so
a T6.
smart.
It's a T6,
He's so smart.
not an MD-50, not a R6. It's like $400. It's fine. Cold start on a 720. Oh, that thing sounds mean. That is insane. Oh my god.
Yo, that was it.
Oh my god. We just lost all traction. Oh my gosh. Dude,
He's coming back
that
around.
thing is so sick. That thing is so sick. Oh, just lost all traction. Absolutely beautiful. The 720S.
That was insane. Alright guys, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
You guys soon.
All right, later. Oh my god. Almost forgot my camera. How could I do that?
Oh.
In the sand again. Back to home sweet home. We got a bunch of drinks, Wawa, my phone, Wawa for the win, but the rack and pinion's coming soon. We gotta pull this out and figure this out today, which is gonna be fun. I haven't small flipped or done this in about, I want to say 2 years. So here we go.
You almost did that.
Second try. That didn't really work too well. Third time's the charm. We got a foot at least, so yeah. Third time's the charm.
Oh shit. I like knew that was coming.
I knew it was coming.
I knew that was
Oh my god. Oh my god. Now you hit my arm, you're good. Oh my god.
Dude,
That's the first time it's ever happened.
That's never happened, yo.
Alright, it's nighttime. That's it.